Today's date is 5/3. Okay. So yesterday we were talking about some keys. Okay. So we are talking about surrogate keys, primary keys, and candidate keys. So one thing is clear that there is a super key, but is an attribute or set of attributes that can uniquely identify each tuples of a table. Okay, it was super key. Now what is candidate key? Candidate key is minimal super key. What is primary key? Primary key is also minimal super key, but designated by, or you can say that chosen by database administrator among or from all available candidate keys. Okay. Okay. Now let us solve some questions, some numerical questions based on these keys. Okay. So let me write down the question first. Question 1 is, let R be the relational schema with n attributes such as A1, A2, A3 up to AN. Okay. Question is, how many super keys are possible with only candidate key A1 with only candidate keys A1, A2. Okay, we will solve these questions. These two questions. So, do you have any idea? Do you have any rough idea how to solve this? How many keys are possible with A1?
Sir, could you show the definition again, sir? Go up one.
Yeah, it is visible. Any idea?
तो शायद A1 के साथ सिर्फ एक ही हुआ क्योंकि वो किसी से ज्यादा मतलब अगर सिर्फ A1 है तो किसी साथ पेयर भी नहीं करेगा मतलब वो फिर इनवैलिड हो जाएगा
So answer for question number 1.1 is
1
okay. Any other choice? Any other answer from any other student?
Sir, I'm not sure, but if there are n super keys, तो उनमें से कोई एक candidate key भी होगी. So total number of super keys should be 2 to the power n minus 1, like n minus a1 maybe. N minus 1.
1. Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer from any student?
सर हमें बट ये तो पता ही नहीं कि एट्रीब्यूट्स यूनिक हैं कि नहीं है, तो हम कैसे बता सकते हैं?
Now to explain it more, you have this table with A1, A2 up to an number of attributes. Relation's name is R. Now if A1 is your candidate key, then along with this, how many extraneous attributes can be formed? Okay, can be attached to A1 such that A1 and that external attribute or extraneous attributes together form a super key. Now, if A1 is a super key, if A1 is a candidate key, then it is a super key also, isn't it? Because according to definition, candidate key is the minimal super key, isn't it? Now, along
समझ गया।
समझ गया ना? So along with A1, you can take A2 also. Then A1, A2 becomes a super key. Along with A1, you can take A3. So it becomes a super key. Along with A1, you can take A4. It becomes a super key. So in this way, you can take one extraneous attribute first with A1. Then you can take like A2, A3. That means A2, A3. That means two extraneous attributes such that it becomes a super key. Then A3, A4. Okay, like A1, A3, A4, such that it becomes super key. In the same way, you can take the combinations starting from A2 to AN. Now, along with A1, you can take as many combinations as you want and as is possible with the attributes A2 up to AN.
n factorial.
So another answer came out, it is n factorial. Okay, we will verify. Now up to this, it is clear or not? So now you say that according to your discrete mathematics structure, if a set is having n elements, then how many combinations are possible with n elements? How many subsets can be formed with n elements?
2 to the power n.
Very good. So 2 to the power n. How? Let us see. Suppose that A, B, C are the element of a set. So how many subsets are possible? One is phi, one is A, B, C, AB, BC, AC, and ABC. Isn't it? So कितना हुआ? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 3 elements in a set and you are having 2 to the power 3 number of subsets. Okay. Now each of these subsets, are also a set. Okay. Now here in this case, if you fix this A1 part, then along with A1, how many subsets would be considered as extraneous attributes? And that would be our answer, isn't it? So here A1, in the first case, A1 के साथ क्या आया है? 5. Next A2, A3, A4, A5 up to N, then A2, A3, A3, A4, A4, A5, इस तरह से. That means आपको क्या सोचना है कि from A2 to AN, how many subsets are possible? With A2 up to AN, how many subsets are possible?
2 to the power n minus 1.
Fixing this A1 at the beginning or fixing this A1 in one place, how many attributes are possible with A2 to AN? Now, how many number of attributes are there from A2 to AN? It is n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 attributes are there because n minus 1 is from A2 to AN and A1 is 1 attribute. So 1 plus n minus 1, so that means total attributes is n. Okay, now from A2 to AN there are n minus 1 attributes. Now for A2 to AN with this n minus 1 attributes, subsets, number of subsets are possible is 2 to the power n minus 1. Isn't it? Isn't it? So what will be our answer? Our answer will be this 2 to the power n minus 1. Is it clear? Students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if it is clear, then let us come to the second part of the question. So it is asked that how many super keys are possible with the candidate keys A1, A2. So total number of attributes is n. You are fixing A1, A2, isn't it? You are fixing A1, A2. So let us see something. Okay, only with A1, how many attributes are possible? How many super keys are possible? Like A1, A1, A2, A1, A2, A3, up to A1, A2, A3, up to AN. How many super keys are possible?
n minus 1.
No, not n minus 1. Just now you have solved it.
N minus 1.
2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, with only candidate key A1 it is possible. Okay, now with only candidate key A2, how many super keys are possible? A2, A2, A1, A2, A3, okay, A2, A1, A3, A2, A1, A3, A4, like A2, A1 up to AN. So how many is this?
2 to the power n minus 2.
2 to the power n minus 1. I am telling that only with A1 as only with taking A1 as candidate key, there are 2 to the power n number of possibilities of the super keys. Now only with A2 there are again 2 to the power n minus 1 number of possibilities. Okay, so total number of possibilities, total number of possible super keys are 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1, isn't it? Students, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
But what is happening here is that you have counted some elements twice. Like here also you are having A1, A2. Here also you are having A1, A2. Here you are having A1, A2, A3. Here also you are having A1, A2, A3. Here you are having A1, A2, A3, AN. Here also you are having A1, A2, A3, AN. So if you just minutely observe, then you can see all those combinations that starts with A1, A2 are repeating. Okay, so these many duplications must be removed from this number to get the right answer. Now we have to compute that how many combinations or how many keys has been duplicated by fixing this A1, A2 together. So if you fix this A1, A2 together, then how many attributes are left? From
n minus 2.
N, yes, correct. N minus 2 attributes are left. Now, with this n minus 2 attributes, how many super keys are possible? Fixing this A1, A2?
2 raised to power n minus 2.
2 raised to the power n minus 2, that is pretty much simple. 2 to the power n minus 2. So, total number of candidate keys, total number of super keys that is possible by using the candidate keys A1 and A2 are 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 minus the duplications 2 to the power n minus 2. Are you getting it? So this is your answer. Now tell me if you didn't get it.
So एक बार वापस से बता दो प्लीज सर. I lost the track somewhere.
Okay, so let me just repeat it once again. I was telling that we are going to calculate the number of super keys that is possible with the attributes a1 a2. Okay, so for that purpose we had calculated the number of super keys possible along with means taking only a1 as candidate key, and here we have computed taking a2 as candidate keys. Now let us draw the Venn diagram. Suppose that the candidate key is possible with a1 is represented by this set a1. Okay, this set a1, and number of candidate keys possible with a2 is represented by this set a2. Okay, now since you are taking a1 a2 together here also and here also, that is why these two circles are overlapping. Now since these two are overlapping, then you have to deduct the common portion. Okay, somehow you have to deduct the common portion. Common portion means this portion. Okay, this portion must be deducted. Okay, now you have to calculate that what are the number of super keys possible with only candidate key a1. So if you fix just one spot, then how many attributes are remaining? From n minus 1 attributes are remaining. So how many combinations or how many subsets are possible with this n minus 1 attributes? It is 2 to the power n minus 1. So number of super keys with only candidate key a1 is 2 to the power n minus 1, and same is the case with a2, 2 to the power n minus 1. But while counting these two separately, it is fine, but when you are counting these two together, then you will have this portion. So you have to subtract the count of this portion. So what is the count of this portion? Count of this portion is computed as this. You have to fix this a1 a2 because the together is coming in both the occurrences, and that is why it is being duplicated. So you have to count that how many attributes are possible with the attributes a3 up to an. How many attributes are there? N minus 2. So number of super keys possible by fixing these two places for a1 and a2. What are the number of possibilities? It is 2 to the power n minus 2. So number of super keys possible means duplicate counts are 2 to the power n minus 2. So that is why what will be your final answer? The final answer will be addition of this 2 to the power n minus 1 with this 2 to the power n minus 1 and subtracting this 2 to the power n minus 2. So answer is 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 2 to the power n minus 2. Is it clear? Now, please confirm, students. Okay, now may I ask you another same type of question? Question is that how many super keys are possible? So how many super keys are possible with candidate keys a1, a2 and a3, a4? Please tell me the answer quickly. So you have to draw the Venn diagram a1, a2 and a3, a4. Okay, no, let me not do it. I'd like to ask from you only. How many candidate keys are possible? How many super keys are possible, students?
For A1 and
व्हाट इज दिस?
सर ऊपर वाले आंसर में n-1 से n-2 रिप्लेस कर दे और n-2 से n-3।
ओके, सो a1 a2 देके कितने हो सकता है ये बताओ? 2 to the power
n-2
n-2
प्लस a3 a4 देके कितने हो सकता है?
n-2 2 is n-2
माइनस कितना करना पड़ेगा? इसी में तो ट्रिक है।
2 is n-4
2 to the power n-4। Yeah, that is the answer. Very good, right. किसने बताया ये आंसर?
सर मैंने।
अमृत ने। Okay, let us draw the Venn diagram. Suppose that this is for a3 a4 and this is for a1 a2. Okay, so for this you will have 2 to the power n-2, for this you have 2 to the power n-2, और यहाँ पे तुम क्या करोगे? 4 एट्रीब्यूट एक साथ लेना पड़ेगा ना, तो वो सारे कॉम्बिनेशन कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा जहाँ पे a2 a3 सॉरी a1 a2 a3 a4 एक साथ आ रहा है कि नहीं? सो a1 a2 a3 a4 एक साथ आ रहा है जहाँ पे वहाँ पे जैसे a5 से लेके an तक के कॉम्बिनेशंस को तुम्हें काउंट करना पड़ेगा। ये कितने कॉम्बिनेशंस है? ये कितने कॉम्बिनेशंस होगा? n में से 4 को तुमने फिक्स कर दिया, तो यहाँ पे कितने कॉम्बिनेशंस बचेगा? n-4।
n-4।
तो ये लेके कितने सुपर कीज पॉसिबल है? 2 to the power n-4। सिंपल आंसर क्या होगा? 2 to the power n-4। यहाँ से माइनस करो ना सर, फिर मिल जाएगा आपको आंसर। तो यस, दैट इज द आंसर। Okay, now let me ask you one more question related to this. How many super keys are possible with the candidate keys A1, A2 and A2, A3? Let me ask you. Tell me quickly, tell me.
Sir, could you repeat the question, sir? Connection
So
dropped.
2 into 2 to the power
Is
n
super
minus
keys are possible
2.
with the candidate keys A1, A2 and A2, A3?
2 to the power n minus 2 minus 2 to the power n minus 3 हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, A1 A2 देखे कितने हो सकते हैं कॉम्बिनेशन?
n minus
2 to the power n minus 2
plus 2 to the power n minus 2 minus 2 to the power n minus 1
minus 2 to the power n minus 1
so plus 2 to the power
sir
n minus 2
plus 2 to the power n minus 2 minus 2 to the
minus 2
power
to
n
the power
minus
n minus 3
n minus
n
1
minus 3
होगा।
3 सर।
फाइनली बताओ 1 होगा या 3 होगा?
सर 3 होगा।
3 सबको एग्री हो 3 के लिए? अच्छा, 1 किसने बोला था ये मुझे जानना है, और आपका लॉजिक क्या था, कैसे सोचे थे आप? किसने बोला था 1?
और 1 इसलिए होना हाँ तो 1 इसलिए होना चाहिए क्योंकि दोनों में बस एक ही कॉमन आ रहा है ना।
अच्छा, दोनों में एक ही कॉमन आ रहा है, तो कॉमन आ रहा है तो ठीक है। तो फिर उस हिसाब से यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? इसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए था? इनमें कोई भी कॉमन नहीं आ रहा था, तो यहाँ पे n-0 होना चाहिए था। फिर तो इस आंसर के साथ तुम कैसे एग्री हुए थे? ऐसा नहीं होता है, आपको इसका रूट कॉज ढूंढना पड़ेगा। देखो कि A1 A2 देके कितना कॉम्बिनेशन पॉसिबल है? A1 A2 होगा, A1 A2 A3 होगा, A1 A2 A3 A4 होगा, इस तरह से A1 A2 A3 A4 अप टू AN होगा, है कि नहीं? सिमिलरली A2 A3 देखे क्या होगा? A2 A3 होगा खुद, A2 A3 A1 हो सकता है, A2 A3 A1 A4 हो सकता है, A2 A3 A1 A4 A5, इस तरह से A2 A3 A1 से लेके AN तक हो सकता है। अब देखो ये टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज कितने हैं? सिंस इसमें 2 पोजीशन को हमें फिक्स करना पड़ रहा है हर एक कॉम्बिनेशन में, तो बाकी रिमेनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन से जितने सबसेट बन सकते हैं उतने होंगे पॉसिबिलिटीज, सो दैट इज 2 to the power n-2, नो डाउट। इसमें अगर अकेले इस सेट को कंसिडर करो तो भी हो रहा है 2 to the power n-2 बिकॉज यू आर फिक्सिंग दिस a2 a3। नाउ what are the combinations that must be cancelled out? That must be cancelled out।
A1 A2 A3
जहाँ पे A1 A2 मीन्स जहाँ पे A1 A2 यूनियन A2 A3 एक साथ आ रहा है, तो इन दोनों के यूनियन क्या होगा?
A1 A2 A3।
तो इन दोनों के यूनियन जहाँ पे साथ आ रहा है उसको कैंसिल करो, इसको कैंसिल करोगे, इसको करोगे, इसको करोगे, इसको करोगे, इसको करोगे, इस तरह से इसको कर दोगे, इसको भी कर दोगे। तो दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम ऑल द एट्रीब्यूट्स A1 A2 A3 A4 A5 A6 up to AN, you are fixing these three places. That means union of this set and this set, you are fixing these places fixed, and you have to calculate how many subsets are possible from the remaining elements. Now how many elements are remaining here? It is nothing but n minus क्या हुआ? How many elements are remaining here?
n-3।
3। So n-3 elements देके कितने subsets possible है? 2 to the power n-3। So that is why this will be the answer। Okay, now let me ask you one more question and one last question। Okay, then I will give you a homework। ये कितना नंबर होगा? 4। So it will be 5th। question। Okay, how many super keys are possible with the candidate keys A1 A2 and A1 A2 A3?
So 2 to the power n-2 plus 2 to the power n-3 minus 2 to the power n-3, मतलब plus 2 to the power n-2 ही होगा।
तो क्वेश्चन का ट्रिक को तुम लोग समझ नहीं पाए। अगर मेरे पास टेबल है A1 से लेके AN, R टेबल के एट्रीब्यूट्स होते हैं, तो उस टेबल में अगर A1 A2 कैंडिडेट की हो जाता है तो A1 A2 A3 कैंडिडेट की नहीं हो सकता। A1 A2 A3 क्या होगा उस टेबल का? सुपर की होगा, क्योंकि इसमें एक एक्सट्रानियस एट्रीब्यूट आ रहा है। एक्सट्रानियस एट्रीब्यूट के कौन सा है?
A3।
A3। So how many super keys are possible? 2 to the power n-2 only।
सर जो छवि ने बोला था वही, मतलब कैंसिल आउट होके वही हो रहा था।
अच्छा छवि, तुम क्या बोल रही थी? 2 to the power n-2
plus 2 to the power n-3 minus 2 to the power n-3।
अरे
सर वो ऊपर वाले जैसे अपन हमेशा कर रहे थे उस तरीके से।
हाँ, मतलब mathematics is always correct, okay, but what I was trying to convince you is the concept of extraneous attribute and super key। Anyway, means yes, mathematics cannot be wrong, okay, mathematics cannot be wrong। So अब आपको इस चीज का प्रूफ भी मिल गया कि मैं क्यों कल बोल रहा था कि एक्सटर्नियस एट्रीब्यूट आ जाए तो वो कैंडिडेट की नहीं रहता, वो सुपर की हो जाता। तो उसका प्रूफ है ये, मैथमेटिकल प्रूफ है ये। ओके, एनीवे वेरी गुड। सो आई थिंक कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए इस तरह का तो आप आंसर कर पाओगे। गेट में भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है और आपको इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन में भी पूछ सकते हैं। नाउ दिस 6th one is the homework। Let me write down a homework very clearly। How many super keys are possible with the candidate keys A1, A2 and A3. You have to calculate this. This is your homework. Please try to do this. Don't tell me the answer right now. Let us try. Okay. On our own. Okay. So I think we have come to an end of this session. So in tomorrow's class, we will see something about foreign keys. Okay. Foreign keys. Foreign keys creating option. Okay. Foreign keys में ये देखेंगे options of creation of FK, that means foreign key, and their effects. Okay. Now for now, let me tell you that if a table is there, suppose that this is a table R, okay, having A1, this way, like having A, B, C, D attributes, where A is the primary key. We are having a table S having D, E, F, G, and D is the primary key. Then between these two tables, which one is the foreign key? Which one is? D. Yes. D is the foreign key of which table? S table or R table?
Foreign key of R table, primary key of S.
Yes, foreign key of R table, which is referencing to the. So इस केस में referencing relation is this R, and referenced relation is S. Okay, but apart from referencing and referenced, there is another name. Okay, a referenced relation is called the parent relation. Okay, and referencing relation is called the child relation, the child table. रेफरेंसिंग में फॉरेन की होता है, जिसमें फॉरेन की होता है वो होता है चाइल्ड. रेफरेंस में प्राइमरी की होता है वही एट्रीब्यूट, और जिसमें प्राइमरी की होता है वो होता है पेरेंट. ओके, ये चीज याद रखो. अब बाकी का पोर्शन मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में बताऊंगा. मतलब नेक्स्ट क्लास कब है हमारा? मंडे को. तो मंडे को बताऊंगा. ओके, now let me just post this to your teams. Let me just stop the recording.